Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. This video is pretty special. By the way, Merry Christmas and happy Festivus to everyone. All right, so one of my students actually managed to turn $2 to over $700 in about 10 days. And at the time of this recording, he probably already over 1,000. So this video is very important that you watch the full video because I'm going to be, and he's going to be dropping some gems. So just grab your glass of water and enjoy this video. Let's go. So I just have a few questions for you here. I first want to know, like, when did you start trading, man?
I actually knew about trading
Yeah.
this year,
This year.
February.
Okay, wow, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
February.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
exactly, man. Actually,
mhm.
there was this recommendation video that
Yeah,
this recommendation video that kept on popping up, and I kept on avoiding it.
yeah, yeah.
But one day I just thought of checking it out, and I
Mm-hmm.
got interested. I got
Yeah,
intrigued.
yeah.
Yeah, man, and that was it for me.
Okay.
So like I started teaching myself
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. All right. So
on
when
how to do this thing. Yeah.
Mhm. So when you started teaching yourself, like what sort of style that you actually learn before actually joining the African Elite Investors Discord?
I learned about trend lines, I
Yeah,
learned about indicators and stuff like that.
yeah,
Also stuff like I never had really like stuff that was
mhm.
like saying that I'm gonna be checking on this. You
Yeah, yeah.
know, I
Okay.
just wanted like something to feed off, like some knowledge basically.
Yeah, okay. So you never really had
Nah, man.
anything structured of that sort. It's just like it was just like a
No,
yeah, it was just like a like
no, bro.
information here and there, and then you put them together, right?
Exactly, so like I kept on climbing the trail like that.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Any information that I get out of,
Yeah.
I move like that.
All right,
You
all
know,
right, all right,
any information I get out of, I move like that.
all right, all right.
You know what I mean?
So
So
no, I see, I see. So like when what actually made you actually join the African Elite Investors Group? Like what's that one thing that you saw from like one of my videos that you're like, man, this is probably something that I need to check out.
the auto blocks and stuff like that, and it was kind of interesting. So like
Yeah.
when I started researching because what I do is when something interests me,
Hmm. Yeah.
I do some more research. I make some
Okay.
more research on that.
Not true.
So
I did
now
the
I
same. I
started
did.
making
Mhm,
some research on that.
mhm,
I started making some research on that. Then I came across your channel, you know what I'm saying?
mhm,
So
mhm.
I watched a couple of videos and all that. Then at the end of the video, you say something about the Discord. I didn't even know what the Discord is, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a link below and stuff like that. I'm telling you, bro.
Yeah.
I didn't even know what the Discord was.
Yeah, yeah,
Then I entered the free Discord and all that, bro.
yeah,
Then that was it for me. That
yeah,
was it for me.
yeah, man. That's nice. I mean, you were lucky, bro.
Yeah, I think that was in August.
August,
That was
yeah,
in
I
August.
remember.
That's
I
just like
remember
five
you.
months ago, bro.
Yeah, I remember you joining in August. Actually, what was the other question I wanted to ask? But I want to ask a question. Have you won the free course? Have you done my free course? Have I sent you the course?
You know what? I just right now.
Mm.
No, you didn't.
Okay,
You
okay,
didn't.
okay, okay, okay.
I never had any course actually.
It
So
was.
what you did was this.
Mhm.
I just saw in the Discord right now that like you're giving away a free gift and all that because I was moving like up and down with
Yeah.
the memorial service I told you at the
Oh yeah,
stuff I
you
told
told
you
me.
about for my
Sorry about
cars
that.
and stuff. Yeah,
Yeah,
so like
sorry.
I've been moving up and down and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Okay.
yeah, it's all good, bro. So like I
I know.
never even like
You never
got
done
hold
it.
of the
You
course
never
and
even
all
done
that,
my
bro. Like it's
course.
this
Hmm.
survival of the fittest, bro.
Yeah. No, I get what you say, man.
I've
I get
never
what.
done any course, bro.
Okay. So what was the turning
Like
point? Like what
shit, like
mhm. What was the turning point? Like at what point? you were like, okay, now I have this information and I know how to do this and this and this, and then I'm gonna do this. And like, at what point you actually started to see results? What was that ha moment that you had? Like, I really want to know about that.
Oh, that time I started like that time like we in August when I joined the elite family, I was just like on demo account, just teaching myself. Since February, March, bro, like up until now, bro, like on a daily basis, bro. Like I've been doing this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like if I put the effort that I've put in this, if it's something that I put in school, my brother, I would have been an engineer or something like that. But I wasn't that interested. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I want to know like the first time. So like what I did the same August, I funded my account with $20, I think.
Yeah.
Then you know I made a little profit like that. But again, I lost it all.
Yeah.
You know, and I remember at the time I was making much on a demo account. So like I became confident and doing it, you know what I'm saying? I know how to do this, then the psychology like did me dirt.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it truly did me bad. Then I kept funding. So what I did, what I did, like you told us, like you need to be writing down the things that you're feeling when you the things like you basically need to be learning from yourself, from your experience. So like I started writing down whatever the emotion that I was in. Whenever I'm trading the live account, you know what I mean? And just started working on that.
Okay. So like basically like when you wait to trade, like you write like the emotion that comes to your mind, and when you're in a trade, you also like write whatever things that's
exactly.
Okay. That's very key. It's very key. Like when you do that, at the end of the day, when you look at it, you're like, oh, okay. So like, what's the opposite thought that I should actually be thinking while I have this negative thought? Then you write the positive, and then you just stick to that, and then it becomes ingrained to your brain. Yeah, that's a strategy that's a really good mental exercise.
I think, and I think exactly, and I think what's been helping me a lot is that, you know, like I did like gambling a lot, like with this baiting stuff. And the same emotions that you have when you're trading is the same emotions that you have when you're betting, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So like, you know, greedy and stuff, you know what I mean? So like when you're gambling, you get to be greedy. When you want to make, like when you want to have a lot of holds, that's greedy, like coming up on you know what I mean? So but when you put up with the small holds, then you know that's how you fight that. And I started fighting that a long time ago when I was doing gambling.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So like I realized this is the same thing. I'm having the same emotions to back when I was gambling, you know what I mean? So I'm actually a work in progress.
Exactly. I mean, you're work in progress, but at least where you are right now is where like most people don't see like results like this. And like I mean you've been trading for less than 6 months, like something like that, right? 7 months or something.
Exactly.
Yeah. So most people don't see results like this quickly.
Something like that.
Yeah, so it takes them like years before they can start seeing some result. But like under correct guidance, like that's why I say guidance is the best thing ever. Like you see, like you actually joining the group and like joining all the free, all the Zoom meetings that we do every week. I think that also help a lot. You know, it help a lot in terms of like guidance, because like I show you what I see in the market. Okay, I show you that I do this on a daily basis. So now when you see that, it already
exactly, bro.
It already sets you apart from a lot of people, because like
I'm sure. Oh, sorry. Continue.
So like it already sets you apart from the bunch, because like you know that okay, when I open my chart, I need to do this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And when the market gets to my point of interest, I need to do this. You understand? Instead of just having a bunch of information from everywhere. Like you don't really know. Like when price gets to your point of interest, now you start thinking about, oh no, that guy said this. No, the other guy said this. The other guy said that I need to use the Fibonacci. That other guy said I need to train the breakout. You understand? So
Exactly.
that kind of it becomes confusing. But like when you have just
Exactly.
one person showing you how they are actually taking from the market, and you use that to your advantage, I think you can become profitable in less than three months even. You understand?
Exactly, because I
Oh,
think I
yeah.
think you know I've been learning from other people's mistakes. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
exactly. Yeah,
because I'm sure you remember on that session that Zoom session we had.
yeah,
I didn't even know what an imbalance was,
yeah. I
bro.
remember.
Like I literally asked you.
Yeah,
Dang, yeah, man. Like
yeah,
I literally knew nothing. You know what I mean? I
yeah,
just knew trading trend
yeah,
lines. I didn't even know how. I didn't even know how to read market structure.
yeah,
You
yeah,
know what I mean? But I
yeah.
think hard work also like
No, hard work is
and
up.
for me, I think I really had
Hmm. Bro,
I
like,
really had a lot of time on my hands because you know
yeah,
like where I was working from, you know
yeah.
I got fired and stuff like that.
Oh,
You know, and
I see.
I also like do music. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
You know, I
yeah,
also like do music.
yeah,
And like music like really needs a lot of funding, you know what I mean? So like I
yeah,
really needed something
yeah.
that I can do so I can find
True.
what I have passion for.
No, I see,
You
man.
know what I
That's
mean?
great. That's great. That's great.
So
Mhm. So,
exactly.
yeah, no, that's perfect, man.
So
Like,
I think
mhm. Go ahead.
no, continue, bro.
No, no, go ahead. Go ahead. I think you were not done.
I I I've forgotten what I was about to say,
Ah,
bro.
man, sorry about that. I mean, when you remember, just let me know. So, what question? The
No
question I wanted
problem.
to ask you is that, like, yeah, now I see that you've actually flipped. I think it's like $2 to 700, right?
Yeah, you know what had happened? What
Yeah,
had happened was I
yeah,
deposited like a $20, you
yeah, yeah,
know,
yeah. Then you
and I
lost
kept
some.
on going back and forth. You know, I lose
Okay.
some, I win
Yeah,
some.
yeah, yeah,
I lose some, I win some. Then I
yeah.
went back like it was actually like $1 and some cents, bro.
Sheesh. Yeah,
$1 and some cents. So
yeah.
then what I do, what I usually do is
Mhm.
when I have such amount, I go back to like VIX 75 one
Mhm.
X
Yeah,
because you know it has
because
like
it
the
doesn't require a
smallest
lot of margin. Yeah.
load size.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Exactly. So like, you know, I
yeah,
open like the 0.5.
yeah,
Then, you know, I make like I was waiting for it like to get a full $4.
yeah,
Then I can jump to another pair.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So
You know what I
damn,
mean?
so
So
like,
like from there it
mhm,
was 5. From there it was like 18.
mhm,
Yeah. You know, it was like 18.
yeah,
Then when it was 18, that's when you remember that time like VIX 75 did us bad.
yeah,
Really
yeah,
bad.
yeah, yeah. I remember. Yeah.
Then I lost some. Then I
Mhm.
lost some. It was like to $6. It went down like to $6.
Yeah, yeah.
$6. It went back like to $2 again.
Sheesh. Yeah. And then from there, you took it
two
up.
dollars, but I never lost hope. And I had
Mhm.
yeah, and yeah, I took it up, and that you know, I thought of depositing again because like I had like another like $50 in my account, but I just
Mhm.
said nah.
Yeah.
If these people can flip these smaller accounts, I can
Yeah.
do it as well.
Exactly.
And I
Yeah.
kept on going, bro. And
Mhm.
with this with the same $2, bro,
Yeah.
I I'd like split it in half, 50
Yeah.
cent each. So
Yeah.
like
Wow, that is
and I
crazy, bro.
I'm
Dang.
telling you, bro,
Wow.
like 50 cent each.
Yeah.
So like what I did,
Mhm.
I was like per trade, I was risking $1. One
Yeah.
dollar I opened two positions.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Then from there, I think it went like to 6 again, you know.
Yeah.
From there, it went to 20 something, 20
Mhm.
something, it went to 40 something.
Yeah.
Then I mean, I'm going.
Yeah. Then you
I
like,
just
yeah.
told myself from
Yeah.
here, I'm going.
Yeah.
Yeah, from there, I even made like an extra 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, from there, you know, I just, you know what, to
Yeah.
hell with this.
Yeah.
Then I weren't, I just told myself, I'm gonna risk half of my account on this.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
the thing was, I was I accepted my risk. I was ready to lose that money. Even if I lost it,
I
wouldn't. I don't think I would have felt anything.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I'd already accepted my risk.
Yeah.
And from there, I think it went up to 200 and something, 260 something. Yeah, man, 260 something.
Yeah.
I went on VIX. I think I've missed some steps, but it went. I started elevating from there.
Yeah. Okay.
Then that's when I made 250, 60 something.
Yeah.
And I never like traded much.
Yeah.
That's the thing. You know, I stopped trading. I stopped trading much.
Yeah.
You know, then from there I made some losses, but they were like small losses because I'm also like strict on my rules now.
Yeah.
And the risk management is like, you know, I keep on perfecting my rules.
That's perfect.
As a thing. You know what I mean? So like what I made on my risk, the rules I made on my risk management is that when I'm counter trading, I'm gonna risk like 0.5 on my account. You know what I mean? But when I'm aligned with my trend, then I'm gonna risk like 2% on my exactly.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna risk maybe 2% on my account. You know what I mean? According to what I have in my account.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So when I blow on my account, then the psychology just get got the hold of me.
Yeah.
Oh, that I just want to, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And yeah, that's basically it, bro.
Basically it. So now,
so like from the you can continue. You can say what.
No, go ahead. You still telling us your story, man. We listening to you, bro.
Okay. Then from there, I think I also like was like the last 10 days. We talking the last 10 days was like in November.
Yeah.
In November, I would make some profit. In November, I remember I made I flipped like $15 to a 150.
Yeah.
But like no, like I had like a lot of problems on my hands, bro. So like I had to withdraw that to withdraw that money and remained with like the small amounts that I blew it again. You know what I mean? So
no, but that's all. It's all right because you withdrew. You withdrew. That's the key. The key is that you withdrew. You understand?
Exactly, bro.
The rest that you blew, it's not your money.
The thing is that it never hurts because you know.
Yeah.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah.
And it never hurt because I knew that I benefited even more. You know.
Exactly.
What I mean? So
yeah.
Then exactly, bro. Then yesterday I remember then I had like 90 something in my account. Then to be honest with you, yesterday, that move I caught on V75, like I was counter trending actually, and that's not part of my rules. Sometimes, I just like got tired of waiting. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like, it happens.
Psychology
it happens.
got on me, but I knew.
Yeah.
But I knew that if I take this trade, I knew it was a scalp. It wasn't something that I was because like
you're gonna hold.
And one of my rules, one of the rules I have is that when exactly. And one of the rules I have is that you know when price is in the discount, I don't really buy. I don't really sell, I mean.
Yeah.
Unless when it's get, but it was like in the middle, like in the 50% zone.
Yeah.
So like guys were like, no, I think I can scalp here.
Yeah.
And I went mad, bro. Like I went with the biggest lot size. Yeah. The small move like made me like $400, bro.
That's the key. That's the key.
Over $400.
So what? When you said you were counter trending, what were you doing? You were buying, right?
No, I was selling.
You were selling. Wow.
I was selling because the move was. Okay. I was selling because the move price was still in the bull. It was in a bullish. Yeah. It was still bullish.
Okay. Okay.
You know what I mean?
So that was yesterday, right? That was yesterday.
You weren't looking at the. That was yesterday, and if you weren't in the market, you wouldn't even know the price was price even like went down.
Okay, so what were you scalping on in the 5 minutes?
Yeah, I scalped. I don't know. I want to remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was actually in the 5 minutes. I saw the order block on the 15.
Yeah.
On the 15, then I went back, I think, to 1 minute. I entered in the 1 minute.
Okay. I see. Nah, that's perfect.
Yeah,
I see what you mean.
Yeah. Exactly. And one of the rules that I've also given myself, like when entering the market.
Yeah.
You know, right now, like recently, I just been using like one entry.
Yeah.
Because of one entry, because you know, like I've also told myself that, you know, when price has not reached or tested my supply or demand, then I'm not gonna enter.
Exactly.
Because like missing out is better than losing your money. You know what I mean? So
exactly. Don't just wait for it to get inside.
You know, and opportunity.
Yeah.
Exactly. And opportunities always present themselves in the market, bro. So
always,
you know,
always.
Nah, and that has been helping me quite a lot. And like I told you when we were talking, I think in the last 10 days I've only traded like 5 times.
Exactly. That's why I'm telling you.
I traded like 5 times.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm telling you. Like, you don't need to trade it. Like me, I haven't traded for 3 days. 3 days straight. I've only just entered an entry now on V101S. Like, I'm just selling to the 100% zone. So it's actually 101S. It's actually going pretty perfect.
Yeah.
So, I mean, like, just trade.
And like I told you, like.
Yeah. Go ahead.
No, continue.
No, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
And like I told you, like it's like yesterday, I just got tired of waiting, bro. Because the order block that I was waiting on hasn't even.
Yeah, it hasn't been tested yet. No, I get the feeling.
You know what I mean?
I know that feeling.
Exactly. So since yesterday.
Yeah.
So since yesterday, I've not even traded.
I haven't traded for 3 days.
I've not even traded. I've just been chilling, bro.
Yeah, I've only got an entry like 15 minutes ago. I got an entry on V101S. So okay, so what I want to know is this: what have you made of the money? Have you withdrawn some?
Bro, I've been withdrawing.
Nah, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect.
I've been withdrawing. So
that's really
what I used to do is when I make a little, I withdraw. I leave a $50. You know what I mean? So even so what I did yesterday, I told you I had 90 something in my account, right? Yeah, so what I did, I only withdrew like 400, then I left
the rest.
Then I left the rest. I left the rest, which means 100 and something.
That's perfect. Now you're gonna make a killer. Exactly. Now you know that you've already taken from the market. So like now your psychology is actually nice because you know that the money that you're playing with now is not even your money. So if you lose it, it's not a biggie. But obviously you're not gonna lose it. But just in case, it's like worst case scenario happens, you know that there's
just in case, bro.
Because like you've actually got the money. Like now the money, you've got the money from the market. You understand? So it's very, very, very.
And that book you recommended, bro.
Yeah.
That book you also recommended, I think it helped a lot.
It helped a lot.
You know, when I know about trading, exactly. When I know about trading, you know, I started downloading like every book I found. And that time you talked about the book, I wanted to find that I already have the book.
Yeah.
Wow, let me start reading it. And I think you also like going in the hospital and stuff. You know, I just told myself I'm not gonna wait for my nigga to come back.
Yeah.
You know, like so.
Yeah.
I started. Yeah, I gotta do this. I started researching, bro. Like I never have any course right now.
Yeah.
And I've never been on anybody's course.
Yeah.
You know,
I'll send you
only you. Yeah. So like, you know, I just before exactly. So I just saw like yesterday you posted a pic that you're giving a course for festive season and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm like, wow, why did I not see this? So like, you know, like I've been busy. So like,
it's actually going. I'm still giving it out for free. Like it's until the 31st. which is Saturday. So you should just send me your email address, and then I will, and then I'll send it to you, man.
Please,
yeah.
Oh, dude, but I mean, I'm not even home right now.
You're already doing good, man. You're already doing good. The course is just going to help you structure the information. You understand?
Exactly, bro. Yeah, exactly. Because like what I've learned,
yeah.
You know, I've taught myself like my name is Winner, and it's my real name, by the way.
Yeah.
A lot of people think it's fake.
Yeah.
It's a nickname.
Yeah.
You know, I just thought myself, I'm not gonna be a loser. You know, if it's losing, then it's a lesson. I'm gonna learn from it.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So, and for me, like it's something I saw as a way out, to be honest with you, bro. Like,
sure.
You know what I mean? Because I kind of dropped, I kind of dropped out of college and all that, and you know, because I want to do my own thing that makes me happy. That makes me happy. You know what I mean? And you know, like the family was against and stuff like that. You know, like I became the black sheep of the family.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like, I'm still looking at this as a way out, bro.
Yeah,
and true, I think God makes things happen for a reason, bro.
True.
Like things happen for a reason, bro.
No, that's
you know, without trading, I wouldn't have even made you guys.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. So it's a blessing in disguise, really. So what I want to do is
I'm still learning and
nah. I mean, you're doing good. That's really nice, actually. That's really nice. I'm really happy. Like you're making me really proud. Like also like, other guys as well are sending me the results, but I think you've been very consistent. I had a guy who turned like $10 to $500 in less than 24 hours. So yeah.
Thank you, my man. Thank you. So I really appreciate.
And remember, like next year, we need to.
I really appreciate. I think the key.
Yeah.
I think the key thing is just to like I said, like accepting your risk.
Exactly, accept the risk. Like you already
a lot of people talk about risk management, but they don't really. Yeah, a lot of people talk about risk management, but they don't really know. They know how to risk, but they don't really accept what they've put there. You know.
Exactly.
You know, for me, when I put my money there, I know that it's gone.
It's gone. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's gone.
It's gone already.
That's perfect.
I mean, even when I lose it, of course, I'm gonna rest here. I'm gonna give it some time for mine to rest, and I'll come back strong.
You need to rest. Exactly, like you need to reset.
You know what I mean?
Never just jump back after a loss.
And exactly, bro. And I also like had to tell myself that losing is also part of this game, because at the end of the day, no strategy is 100%.
True.
That's what they say, right?
True.
Exactly.
So yeah, I mean, when you lose like that, you always have to let your mind reset. Like your mind needs. It's just like running, right? When you're running, and then you get exhausted, you need to rest before you can be able to run again. You know. So the same concept applies when you're trading. Like when you get hit with a big loss, never just try to go back and try to make money again. It's never gonna work, because like now you're not thinking straight. Like you're thinking in terms of like revenge. Like you want revenge, you want to make your money back, and the results usually the results are usually worse than what you expected. So it's very important that you actually know that. And yeah, and also one more thing that I wanted to say is that remember, next year I'm really trying to push students to join prop firms. Okay, so that's actually why I'm also giving out my prop firm, but I haven't really recorded them. But I think with you, I'm gonna do is like some live session with you where we're gonna talk about how to trade forex and get funded. You understand? So now that's going.
I really appreciate.
That's going to assist you. That's going to help you actually make a lot of money faster. Understand? So if you get funded like $100,000 with FTMO, you can easily make 1,000 a day. Understand? So 1,000 a day, that's 5,000 a week, for $20,000 a month. You understand? So From there on, like when you make that kind of money, you're already gone, man. It's over. You're gone. And like when you have $100,000, making 1,000 a day is like the easiest thing ever. Super easy. Understand?
But you have a lot of money, bro.
You
have a lot of cash.
Yeah, man. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I'm not there yet, but I'm trying.
Yes, that's really great, man. I've been seeing your results too, bro. You're killing it.
Yeah, man. Like I'm trying to make everyone kill it as well.
You're killing it.
There's a lot of money in this game, bro. There's a lot of money in this game, so I feel like everyone needs to. I mean, people should just grab the piece, man. You understand? Like people are struggling to make like 1,000 a month, bro. Like that's not normal, man. That's not how the world is supposed to be. You understand? So this trading thing is really a way out for all of us, really. You understand? So I'm really I'm really trying to push it. So like what I want you to do is I want you to stay consistent for at least the month of January, okay? Stay consistent.
Exactly.
I think at some point I'll actually need you to actually join me. I want to launch a signal service on the I want to launch a signal service in the Discord. So yeah, just stay consistent for a month, and then we will do the I'll teach you how to pass the FTMO challenge, okay? And then from there, like if I really like if your results are still good, then we can be in business together, man.
All right, bro. I'll do my best.
Yeah. So just stay consistent. You're already good. Like just stay consistent. Also, like don't let like the profit that you're making get over you. Don't let it make you think that you are a god of the market. No, just keep doing the same thing that you're doing. Don't really feel like you want to be a millionaire the next day, you know? So and for that, man. I mean, like what strategy are you using? Like what I mean, you haven't done the course. So I'm sending you the course. I mean, just send me your email and I'll send you the course. But what I want you to focus on is the risk management part of the course. I think that's really gonna assist you a lot.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah. Focus on the risk management. Like if you want to trade aggressive, I think I have a risk management called fast money management. Okay. You can focus on fast money management, and there's two risk management that I use. It's conservative risk management and fast money management. So conservative is basically when you have like a $100 account and you're only risking like 2 or 3% per trade. And then fast money is you have $100 and you split them by 5 or 10. Okay. And then you just try to flip your account. Understand? So you can do both. Say you have $200, you're like, okay.
Yeah.
You split them into two. You're like, oh, this 100, I'm going to trade conservative. And then the other, I'm going to trade fast money. And then from there on, you're just killing it. So send me your email, bro. Send me your email. I really need you to stay consistent because I really see potential in you, bro. I really see potential in you, and I just want you to prove me right for like one more month, and then from there on, we can just go up together, bro.
All right. Thanks.
All right.
Thanks, man. And just for people in the group, bro. Like for me, like what usually happens, bro. Like when somebody like posts up a setup, what used to happen with me is what I noticed about myself. You know, you find that I've already analyzed what I've already analyzed my market.
Yeah.
And I see somebody posting a setup, bro. Like my mind shift. I'll focus on the setup that I've seen in the Discord. I'll forget.
And you forget about yours.
About what I've analyzed. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Exactly. You know what I mean? So you know the price reaches the point of interest and I lose and I watch the setup that I was waiting on.
Yeah, I see what you mean. I mean, it's all about confidence.
Setup that I was. Yeah. Exactly, bro.
It's all about confidence.
Like I used to rush in the market, bro.
Yeah. Don't. I mean, exactly. It's all about confidence. Like
I used to rush on the entries and stuff like.
Yeah. Now I think the course is really gonna help you on that as well. Like it's gonna help you rely on your own analysis. Even if you see something on Discord, don't pay any mind to it. Just stick to you. I think also like the previous
exactly. I think that has helped me like relying on my own, relying on my strategy alone. You know what I mean? So relying on me alone. You know, because Say what you wanted to say.
No, go ahead, man.
Yeah, like I was telling you, like why it's a thing that used to happen to me. You know, I see somebody posting a setup in the Discord, and I would focus on that, and forget I would forget on what I analyzed. You know, and I would see what I analyzed go in profits minus me pressing a trade, and on the other hand, I'm losing on the setup I saw in the Discord. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a thing. So like I just said, let me rely on myself. Right?
Rely on yourself. And also, like the course is really gonna help you structure everything.
Yeah.
And just also, like, it's gonna help you. It's gonna help you with entries, everything. Really, the course has everything. But also, just remember the previous Zoom session that we had, where I said that you need to focus on like 2 to 3 order blocks per instruments a week. Understand? That's very key too. That's going to actually help you stay disciplined and not to look for trades all the time. Understand? So, winner, man, I think this is the end of the session. I still need to do a Zoom session for the bootcamp guys. I think today is our last session, so I'm just gonna do a meeting with them as well. But anyway, I'm really happy and really proud of your result. Just keep pushing, man. Keep pushing for one more month. Like just January, just push, man. Push. Take your account as fast and as far as you can. But don't forget, you need to save $50 for the funded account. Okay, I think with this FTMO funding talent, my funding talent, you can fund you can buy a challenge for $50, a $5,000 challenge for $50. So just keep up with that, and then end of January we're gonna start with that. Okay.